Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on the application of NFL with good settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we go down until you find this window of NFL. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.